Are you looking for a local and trustworthy locksmith? Whether you're locked out, lost your keys, or just need to upgrade your home security, Hames and Sons Locksmiths are here to help. Fast, reliable, and right on your doorstep. We're a fully mobile locksmith service offering expert solutions for all your door locks and handle issues. From snapped keys and jammed uPVC doors to full lock upgrades, we've got you covered. Locked out of your home or business? Don't panic. We offer emergency locksmith services with a swift 30 to 60-minute response. Using only high-end tools and equipment, we'll get you back inside quickly and safely without damaging your door. As uPVC door lock specialists, our services include replacing cylinder locks, realigning doors, fixing or replacing handles, and repairing internal mechanisms. We also supply and install Mortice deadlocks to help your home meet insurance requirements, whether it's a replacement or a fresh fit. Need to share access to your properties securely? We install Lockboxes with a 4-digit combination, perfect for carers, tradesmen, Airbnb hosts, and more. Want to take your home security to the next level? We also provide bolts, spy holes, and door chains. Small additions that make a big difference. Our van is fully stocked, so most jobs are completed on the first visit, saving you time and money. Trust Hames and Sons Locksmiths for fast, professional, and reliable service, right when you need it most.